Famous perfume brands in different countries. In France, the brand is Guerlain. In Italy, the brand is Acqua di Parma. In the United States, the brand is Tom Ford. In the United Kingdom, the brand is Jo Malone. In Spain, the brand is Loewe. In Switzerland, the brand is Byredo. In Germany, the brand is 4711. In the United Arab Emirates, the brand is Ajmal. In Japan, the brand is Shiseido. In Turkey, the brand is Atelier Rebul. In Sweden, the brand is Byredo. In Saudi Arabia, the brand is Arabian Oud.